Hello students, my name is Preeti Narwal. Today we are going to discuss about algebraic expression. But before starting, we should know about the different terms related to it. So let's just start the topic. Firstly, what is algebraic expression? Why we need that? Let's start with an example. Suppose you are going in a market and you need to purchase 2 notebooks and 1 pen. Then how you will form an algebraic expression for that? For that, you will suppose a variable, this x, for the notebooks. You need to purchase how many notebooks? 2. Plus a variable for the pen. How many pens you need? 1. That is an algebraic expression. Okay. Now, what are these terms? What do you mean by a variable and what do you mean by these terms? Variable is the thing which you need to change according to your question. That is your variable. And this term, this 2 and this 1, this is your constant quantity which you can't change throughout the question. So that is your variable and that is your constant quantity. Now the next thing is terms. What do you mean by term? This is the term and this is also a term. Term means the different things you are using to solve your question. This is a separate term and this is also a separate term. Now terms comes to the coefficient. What is coefficient? This is the term. This is the term. And this 2 is coefficient for that. Okay. Now depending upon the terms, there are some different types of the polynomials, or you can say that algebraic expressions are of different. So as I said, depending upon the terms, there are different types of algebraic expressions. So firstly is your monomial, second is binomial, third one is trinomial and last one is polynomial. So first one is monomial. What do you mean by monomial? Mono means 1. So that means monomial is an algebraic expression which has only one term. For example, if I have written simply 3x, that is a monomial in which only one term is present. Okay. Binomial, bi means 2. That means an expression which is having 2 terms. So I can write it like this one. This is a binomial because it has 2 terms. One term is this one and second term is this one. And these both terms are connected by the algebraic operation addition. Okay. Trinomial, tri means 3. That means it will be have 3 terms. So 3x plus 7y plus 9z, anything you can take. That is a trinomial in which there are 3 terms. Now polynomial. Polynomial means these all are the types of polynomial. Polynomials mean the algebraic expressions which can have any number of terms. There are no specific terms that is 1, 2 or 3. It can have any number of terms. It can have 1 term, it can have 2 terms, or it can have 3 terms. So any expression, I can write it like this one, 2x plus 7y plus 9z plus 3xy. That is a polynomial. Okay. So these are different types of algebraic expressions in which monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. All these are the types of polynomial. Different types of algebraic expression depending upon the power of the variable. Lastly, we have studied about the terms. Depending upon the terms, we have studied algebraic expression. Now we will study about the power. For example, if the first one is your linear expression. Linear, that means power is 1. If I write it like this one, 3x plus 4y, that is a binomial expression, but it is a linear polynomial. Okay. It has 2 terms, but the power of the variables is 1. So it is a linear expression. Second one is your quadratic. Quadratic, that means the power of the variable is of 2. We can write it like this one, 3x square plus 9x plus 7. It is a quadratic expression. Like this one, we can have power 3, 4 is this one. Same, we can have a polynomial of expression power like this one, a0 x to the power n, a1 x to the power n minus 1, just so on till an. In this one, it is a polynomial expression with the power of the variable. Highest power is n. So this is all about the algebraic expression. We have studied about what is expression, what are terms, and what are different types of polynomials depending upon the terms. And these are the types of algebraic expression depending upon the power of the variables. Thank you so much.